So I'm gonna show you how to hack a game using Game Hacker. So first, you have to run or launch the Game Hacker. Now wait for a moment. Huwag ka tawa. Then, you have to minimize it first because in order for it to work, you have to launch the game that you will be hacking. So in this case, I will use Cafe Nipponica by Kairosoft to be hacked. Then just load your saved game. So in this case, this is my saved game, Sunshine Diner. Then continue. Continue. Then, as you can see, this is my money, current money. In order for it to be hacked, go to settings, then change the currency to yen. Then you're ready to hack the game. So this is copy this value, which is 142999. Then search. So you have, see this 3, you have to change this into the desired value that you want. Like for example, I want my money to be 999 million yens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. As you can see, the money has been changed to 999 million yens. So there, you're set. Congratulations, you have hacked your game. Exit. Save. Then change the currency again to dollars. You have 9 million. Then save and exit.